Customize and prepare a future form. Apply a layer of Plexigel Bonder. Cure for 10 seconds. Repair the broken free edge. Refine and shape before curing. Cure for 1 minute. Apply a layer of Plexigel Color Builder to the entire nail. Define the free edge prior to curing using a detail brush. Cure for 1 minute. Create the free edge to repair the broken nail. Cure for 1 minute. Apply an additional layer to create a natural finish. Cure for 1 minute. Remove the form. Clean the nail. Shape and refine the nail. Clean the nail and apply a layer of Plexigel Protector top coat. Cure for 1 minute and clean the nail. This service requires monthly rebalances and daily use of solar oil.